I'm going to show you what is called as the right side popcorn. Now all patterns, unless it tells you to go on the wrong side, are always the right side popcorn. So popcorns can exist of many different stitches together in order to form a popcorn. So let's just say the next 4 are the popcorn. So let's just show you how to do the right side, which is the common side. So you're gonna yarn over and you are going to double crochet the next 4. So you're gonna say 1, 2, 3 and 4, and usually the patterns tell you how many double crochets make up the popcorn. So to do the right side, you're going to drop the loop and go into the top of the first one of the 4 and come from the front and go to the back and then pick up the loop and you are going to pull it through like so. So that is how you would do the popcorn, just like you see. So what we want to do is that we want to do the next 4. So let's just say that we're gonna do it. So we're gonna double crochet the next 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, and you're gonna drop it and go to the first one of the 4 from the front to the back, grab the loop and pull through. So you can see that when you pull through, the popcorns jump towards you. So these sometimes change, and when it comes to the wrong side popcorn that we'll do next in the tutorial series, is that you'll see the difference of going from one side to the other. So this is the right side popcorn if you ever have to use it.